Hey YouTube, this is Pecktec. Thank you so much for joining me again. It's been another week, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about this drone. Now, I want to promise you something. I'm only going to use drone footage to help tell a story, to help give context to where I am and that sort of thing in this YouTube channel. But I did want at least one video that's just me flying around. And what I've got here is a DJI Phantom 2. And it's got a gimbal that was made for a GoPro Hero 3, but I actually have a Hero 2 just sort of zip tied to the front. It's been working out okay, except occasionally the gimbal will just kind of flip down randomly, and that's really annoying. I've had to pitch it sort of at a lower angle to keep the gimbal from doing that. Other than that, you know, I've found little happy mediums where it won't flip around too much, but a lot of the footage that I shot I couldn't use just because it just would go down randomly. Now, I've had a little bit of an opportunity to fly it, a little bit of an opportunity to crash it. My most dramatic crash, of course, was the one I started with. Dad beat me for really cool crashes that were just kind of anticlimactic. This is a bare minimum drone setup, and I have to fly line of sight. I don't have a way to see what the drone sees, so I just sort of guess and fly it around, and it's still amazingly fun. Our first couple of tries for this were in the backyard, and for the My Aquarium Box video, that was literally the second time I flew it, and I felt so comfortable with it, I gave the controls to Kerrigan and actually let my daughter film some of those sequences. Okay, so the reason I named the video what I named it, Pecktec's Tree Trimming Service, is because there's this park right behind where I work, and I decided to go through there and try to film this thing going through these narrow paths with the trees and the brush just kind of hanging over. And I got really close on a bunch of the trees and did quite a few little impromptu trimmings of the branches on that trail. It's a great place to learn how to really fly with control. Nobody was there. It was pretty empty. It was early in the morning, so I had the park kind of all to myself, and I walked around and I filmed a bunch of stuff. So that's the first part of this little montage that you're about to see. And the second part is at my dad's house. So without further ado, here's some of the footage that I shot at the park and then at my dad's house. Hope you enjoy it.
My #1 website, let's go.
folks, thanks for watching. I'll be back this Sunday with another video. I'm going to battle and win against cyanobacteria. You don't want to miss that. Until next time, follow your bliss. Watch out for trees. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.